Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with what matters. Open camera and pick video or cinematic, then enable action mode. You do that because action mode adds heavy stabilization for handheld shots, which keeps movement smooth. Once done, lock exposure and focus with a long press on your subject so the phone won't hunt mid-recording. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on to avoid interruptions, and consider enabling 4K only if you need higher detail. Otherwise, 1080p saves space and battery. Now you'll frame and move deliberately. Choose the wide lens for more breathing room and get slightly closer to keep subjects prominent. Action mode performs better with less distance. When you walk, tuck elbows to your sides and use a heel-to-toe step to mimic gimbal stability. Start recording, then pause a beat before initiating rapid pans or follows so the software can analyze motion. If you plan a long take, keep an eye on exposure changes and gently recompose rather than forcing dramatic shifts. Finish by reviewing footage and trimming those first seconds where stabilization settles. That makes your clip feel intentional. Make final adjustments to color and crop in photos, but avoid heavy digital zoom since it undermines action mode smoothing. If you see unexpected jitter, try restarting the camera app and toggling action mode off and on. Make sure iOS is up to date because improvements land there. If problems continue, reset camera settings. That clears custom tweaks that can conflict with stabilization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.